What I'm working on here is a road grading attachment for my lawnmower. I have already started a bit off camera, but I actually haven't done so much. I've just gathered parts and started to like put stuff together a bit. So I'm gonna show you how far I have came at the moment, and yeah, keep working on this and hopefully I can test it soon. This is the grading steel from snowplow, I think. This is this screw here. It's gonna raise and lower this. So I did continue a bit here, tinkering with some stuff, and this, as you saw, bolted in place through here. I fixed this, so now I'm working on the mounting point for the blade, so to say. So here I bolted this. I don't know, this is just kind of a prototype. I don't expect it to hold very well, but I want to test it a bit. So we're gonna bolt those two together like that, and the same here. It's twisting too much, so the blade becomes too straight this way. It should be more like that and push the material to the side. I think a short chain here could solve the problem, at least temporary. Well, it's 2 days later now, and I have removed the broken or the bad part of this, and now I'm trying to figure out how to mount this blade to the frame in a better way. But I took a little break from that at the moment, and I'm currently working on the trailer. It broke a couple of videos ago. There was a locker thing here. It's too small to work here, really. You can see here the kind of, these should be there. Yeah, that one should be underneath and lock the trailer. So I'm just thinking about taking a bit of flat bar and putting it in there so it holds it down for now, because I got some logs to take home. There's been a bit of a plan change here. I'm gonna use this trailer frame instead of this, because as you see, the other one is twisted, this one's twist. This turned out pretty great. Here it is. It's a little too light, so Ludwig, my brother, if you didn't know that, who filmed what you just saw, he went and got some weights prepared when I come home, so we can put more weight on it and try again. It didn't really scrape here, but as you could see, when there was more gravel that wasn't so hard packed, it scraped really well. And this is how it turned out. We used this frame and we used the old frame, first version's frame here. The rear, we just removed the wheels from that basically and installed this frame underneath there. So you use this to lift and lower the blade. Pretty simple actually, and it's a good spot here to put some more weight on it actually. Yeah, we're gonna go and test that. This worked very good actually. I did not think it would be so much difference with just a garden concrete plate. As you can see, we're trying to move material from the edges, especially this over here. We can walk up to this straight part of the road there. Or here you can also see there's really much from on the edges here, because I've been drifting with the four-wheeler and that blows the gravel out in the ditch. If you look here, there's no need of gravel out here, so we're trying to move that in, and as you see, we've already done that. So I think I'm gonna focus on finishing this part of the road today. Just one more run this way and then turn out around and go that way. So we put all the gravel in the middle of the road and then like spread it out.